जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 9th chapter राजविद्या राजगुह्य योगमु 21st श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, Arjuna, those who wants to attain heavenly pleasures, they will perform all those yajnas which are prescribed by Vedas, and then they will attain those heavens and enjoy heavenly pleasures. Then once their merit, their punyam is gone, is over, then they will come back to same this Martya Lokam, Bhulokam. Like that, Arjuna, whoever performs those kamya karmas, fruitive activities which are prescribed by 3 Vedas, they will attain heavenly pleasures and enjoy those pleasures, and then will be coming back to this cycle of birth and death again and again. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma explaining that those who are seeking only heavenly pleasures will have to come back to this cycle of birth and death again and again. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Te tam bhuktva svargalokam vishalam kshine punye martyalokam visanti evam trayi dharmam anuprapannaha gatagatam kama kama labhante. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if you do these 8 things, you will become my most beloved devotee and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on meditating upon you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you asked, I shall keep on performing all my prescribed duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you asked, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you asked, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you asked, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantam apeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam Tritiya Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Maitreya teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, when Rishis, Munis did prayers to Yajnavarahaswami, Varahaswami felt so happy because all those prayers are from Vedas. Every letter from Veda describes, glorifies Sriman Narayana's divine qualities. That is why when Varahaswami got to hear all those Vedic passages which are chanted by Rishis and Munis, he felt so happy. Then, while roaring that Yajnavarahaswami Jalam Avivesha, he about to get into the huge water to do favor to all the Devatas and Chaturmukha Brahma. O Vidura, whatever Vedas prescribes, performance of observance of all Vedic prescriptions is known as Yajnam. That Yajnam is manifestation, personification of Sakshat Paramatma. That is why this Varahaswami named after Yajnavarahaswami. O Vidura, then before jumping into that huge water, this Yajnavarahaswami going here and there in the sky while lifting his tail, and he is moving all of his hair here and there. Kommula chimmu nuvokka maatu, rapaadu nokka maatu, mattaadu nokka maatu, braddalu seyu nokka maatu. With his hoof and feet, he is spreading all the clouds here and there. And then to lift the earth, to bring out the Bhumi Devi, Granena Prudhvyaha Padavim Vijigran. He is trying to smell to find out where the Bhumi is. That Yajnavarahaswami smelling with his nose here and there to search for Bhumi Devi. Udvikshya Vipran. And also Yajnavarahaswami conferring his gracious vision upon all the devotees and sages, rishis, those who are chanting Vedic passages. While blessing all of them, Yajnavarahaswami jumped at once into that huge water. When such huge mountain like Yajnavarahaswami jumped into that huge water, that entire ocean got into two, almost peeled out into two parts. Then that Samudra, sounding like saying to, praying to, requesting to Yajnavarahaswami like, "Oh Yajneswara, don't peel me into two parts." Like that it is sounding. And also all those waves which are coming out of that samudram, that ocean, looking like Samudra, while lifting his hands, shoulders, praying to that Yajnavaraha Swami, Nannu Rakshimpu Rakshimpu Mani Akrosimpa, that it is looking like, it is sounding like Samudra is praying Yajnavaraha Swami, saying that please protect me, please protect me. That scene is looking like that. Oh Vidura, then that Yajnavaraha Swami, while swimming into that Mahajalam, while getting into the deeper levels of that water, Yajnavaraha Swami searching everywhere for Bhumi Devi. And finally Yajnavaraha Swami reached Rasatalam. There Ganche Makhamaya Gatrin Khura Vidalita Kulagotrin Dharani Kalatrin Gavesha Dhatrin Botrin. Finally Yajnavaraha Swami has seen that Dharani Devi, Bhumi Talli, and the one, the mother of earth, who has all the entities safely kept inside. Such Bhumi Talli was found by Yajnavaraha Swami in that Rasatalam. Such Dharani Devi was found by Yajnavaraha Swami in that Rasatalam. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 9th chapter 21st sloka. Te tam bhuktva svargalokam vishalam क्षीणे पुण्ये मर्त्यलोकं विशन्ति एवं त्रयी धर्मम् अनुप्रपन्नाः गतागतं कामकामा लभन्ते. ते तं भुक्त्वा स्वर्गलोकं विशालं क्षीणे पुण्ये मर्त्यलोकं विशन्ति एवं त्रयी धर्ममनुप्रपन्नाः गतागतं कामकामा लभन्ते. श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव. सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.